Good morning, Year 10, and welcome to our end of term celebration assembly 2020. And a special hello to those of you who are not in school today. I hope you are safe and well at home and have been doing lots and lots of Google Classroom work this week. Okay, so we are here obviously to celebrate all of the great things that have been happening so far this term. Obviously, 2020 has been an interesting year, to say the least. It's been very different. We've had to get used to lots of different things, but there has still been some great work going on in Year 10, and we would like to celebrate that. So first of all, just well done for getting through the first term. I always think the first term of the year is the most difficult one, and you've all come back after the kind of extenuated break from last year with a very good attitude. And going around the J corridor, I've been really impressed with the kind of attitude to learning I've been seeing and the engagement in your lessons. So well done to all of you. And your teachers, as usual, have chosen a couple of pupils who they have felt have particularly gone the extra mile in their particular subjects, and they would like to recognise that in this assembly and with some certificates. Before we go on to the subject awards, what I'd like to do first is to do this week's shout-outs. So shout-outs we've started about 4 weeks ago, and I have to tell you, I've really enjoyed putting these together, because every single week I get loads and loads of emails from all your teachers telling me all the great work that's going on in Year 10. And I think those of you who have received shout-outs, I think have really appreciated it, and hopefully you're going home and showing your parents to show them as well how well you're getting on. So let's do this week's shout-outs. So, first up from Miss Nash in geography, she would like to shout out Daniel D, Gregoris, David, and Christian for always contributing to the lesson. Miss Arab would also like to shout out Stefania for the dedication or classwork that she's been showing. Loads and loads of shout outs from Miss Osman. So she would like to shout out for Zach, Abdo, Mohammed, Mario, Ectorus, Luna, Zerda, Alexi, Dorothea, and Stephen, and various different reasons in there, but some fantastic grades in the most recent assessment. Seen some 9s, some 8s, and loads of people hitting their targets. So very well done to those people. Mr. Shanane would like to shout out Jenk for his very good attitude in Spanish, Nicoletta for putting in her effort, and Daniel D and Valentin for being good team players in the Spanish lesson. Well done to those people. Mr. Ayob, a few from Mr. Ayob. So we've got Marina taken to the new challenge of yoga. Leticia also for yoga, and also Tatiana for taking to the new subject you've been doing of yoga. Miss Constantino would like to shout out Stephen and Mohammed for always participating in activities. A few shout outs from Miss Mally. These are all for physics. So Alex B, Stephen K, Mario A, Dorothea G, and Evie for various different reasons. So great progress, great participation, great effort, great knowledge, and some fantastic results in their assessment. Well done to you guys. Miss Mirza, so more from science. Yanni and Leo for some excellent work. And Thula and Salwa for some excellent work in science. Bisa and Ibrahim, excellent skills in science. And then Omar, Hussein, and Zawa for working exceptionally well. Miss Gray would like to do a shout out to Jenk for acting his assessment, and for Patricia, Leo, and James for being on or above their target in both their assessments so far. Massive congratulations to those. Okay, so that's our shout outs for the week. So again, really nice to see lots of different names, lots of different people getting shout outs from their teachers. We will be continuing that after Christmas. So let's make sure that we are working as hard as we possibly can to try and get those shout outs for next term. Okay, on to the actual awards. So as I said earlier, you will get a certificate. If you are not in school at the moment, then we will give you those certificates when you get back in January. Okay, so first up we have the award for English. And the awards for English have gone to Daniel D and Merlin. Okay, very big congratulations to those two. For maths, we have got Leo and we've got Abdul. Again, 10-0. So very well done again to those two for your work in maths. Moving on to science, Dorothea and Blake. Congratulations to you two. Geography, we got Rishikal and Gendra. Very well done for your excellent work in geography. History, the awards for this term go to Jenk and to Ibo. Congratulations to you two. PE, the awards this time go to Mario A and Naima. So very well done to you two for your hard work and success in PE. Information technology, the awards go to Stefania and Mehmet. Well done to you two. Religious Studies awards this term go to Shayla and Imam. Congratulations for your hard work. Well done. Design and Technology, the awards go to Yasin and Tanha. So well done to you two. Art, the awards go to Dorothea and Miraldi. Big congratulations to you two. Spanish, we have awards going to Alexandru D and Stefania. Very well done. Media, Nicole and Alex get the awards for media. So congratulations to you guys for your fantastic work in media this term. EAL, the awards this term have gone to Yasin and Gendra. Well done. And our last of our subject awards for music, Mario A and Sortiria. So very well done to everyone who has received an award. I think again, as I said, speaking to your teachers this term, they have been very, very impressed with the way you guys have started your GCSE courses. And obviously we hope that continues so we can have lots and lots of success when we leave the school at the end of next year. Okay, so there are the individual subject award certificates. We obviously then also have the Achievement Point Awards. So just to give you a bit of information, this term in the whole school, 44,000 achievement points have been given out to students from year 7 to 11. Of those, 6,761 have been given out to year 10, okay, which is, I'd say that's a decent amount for year 10. And the top form, so the form which has received the most amount, is 10-0 with 1,861. So very well done to 10-0. I think they were quite a bit ahead of the next form, but hopefully if we start from 0 next term, we can try and get some of the other forms up to as many achievement points as 10-0. But for this term, congratulations to 10-0. Now, unsurprisingly then, I think the 3 highest individual achievement awards pupils all come from 10-0. So, the individual achievement awards come later. First of all, it is the form group awards. So each form tutor has nominated 2 students as their pupils of the term. So from 10B, we have got Dorothea and we have got Bisa. Well done to you two. From 10R, we've got Stephen and Stefania. Congratulations. From 10O, we've got Abdo and Simona. From 10M, we've got Christian and Shayla. From 10F, we have Zerda and Azad. And finally, from 10I, we have Blake and Luca. Okay, very well done to those people who have shown excellent work and dedication in form time and also around the school. So well done to those. Right, now we get to the individual achievement point winners. Okay, so as I said, the 3 top achievement point pupils all come from 10O. So Zor, James, and Daniel D. Very big congratulations to you guys. Loads of achievement points being achieved by you 3. So really well done this term. And let's try and keep it up for the remainder of the year. But well done to you 3. The Achievement Director Awards that were chosen by myself and Miss Green this term. So go to Richie Carl and Alex. We chose these pupils due to their kind of dedication in their lessons and their determination to do well in their subjects. Okay, they understand what it is to work hard and to try and achieve all of their targets. So well done. And well done again also to Alex for also starring in the Broomfield Christmas video. So well done to those 2 who will get the Achievement Director Award for this term. House Awards. So the Year 10 House Award for Dalton House goes to James in 10O. Well done. The House Award for Newton goes to Zor in 10O. Again, well done. Our House Award for Anning goes to Daniel D. Well done. And our House Award for Franklin goes to Daniel G. Congratulations to those 4. And that leads us on then to our last awards, which is our... oh, no, again, I've skipped the slide already. Before we go into our very last one, let's have a look at what are the standings for the house competition so far this term. So, in first place in our house competitions at the moment, it is Newton House. Well done. In second place is Dalton. Third place, Anning. And at the moment, in fourth place, we have Franklin. Okay, so well done to Newton House, leading the way in the first term. But remember, this is just the first term. It's not over yet. Okay, plenty of time for the other 3 houses to stage a comeback. But for now, well done to Newton, and well done to those pupils in Newton. Keep up the good work. And then on to our final award, which is for Punctuality and Attendance Awards. So we've got 2 students who are getting the Gold Award this term. So that's Mohammed and Christoph. And then we have quite a large number of pupils who are getting the Silver Award. And again, there will be badges for this that will be handed out today. Or again, if you are not in, will be given to you when you return in January. And that is the end of our award ceremony for this term. So I would like to finish off the assembly by again reiterating how well we've been getting on this term, how impressed myself and Miss Green have been with you guys. And I hope you have a nice, restful and peaceful holidays, and hopefully you get to spend some time with your families at home. To those of you who are at home, stay safe, and we will see you all back, hopefully all nice and well in January. So have a Merry Christmas, have a lovely holidays, and take care of yourself, year 10. See you in January. Bye-bye.